Want to know how to check out promos or promotions in TaskRabbit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your TaskRabbit on your phone. So once you have opened it up on your phone, make sure you are logged in as well. So you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here if you have logged in. So you can just simply select that. So once you have selected that, you should be provided with various interfaces, and right above notification you should be seeing something known as promos. So you can just simply select. So now once you have selected promos, here you should be loaded onto promotions, where you can be seeing various promotions that are available to you, which goes up to your advantage. So you can just simply scroll down and choose accordingly, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.